This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you are signed into the correct Google account for the file or folder. Next, inspect the shared link settings to determine whether the file is restricted to specific people. Check the file owner line and organization permissions to see whether a domain restriction is active. Note whether the file shows a request permission button or an access denied message. These initial checks tell you whether the issue is an account mismatch, link restriction, or if you cannot access the file, click Request Access, type a polite reason, then send the access request to the owner. If you are the owner, OpenShare, change link access to anyone with link or keep it restricted to specific people. When adding people, add the correct email address manually and grant viewer, commenter, or editor access as needed. Wait up to 24 hours for organizational approvals if an admin must approve your request. If basic fixes fail, sign out, clear browser cache, or open an incognito window to rule out local issues. Try a different browser or the Google Drive mobile app to confirm the problem persists across clients. Ask your Google Workspace admin to check Drive sharing settings, organization units, and any domain restrictions that block access. If appropriate, request the owner transfer ownership or move the file into a shared drive to simplify access. Follow up with the owner or admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.